In this video, I'll show you how to find trending Sei Memecoins on Dexscreener. Show you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you're logged into your Dex, what you're gonna do now, you're gonna click on this tab with a fire streak, right? Once I've clicked on it, I'll be able to see the trending memecoins with its hour durations, right? So in the past 6 hours, let me know how many memecoins that has been live. Okay, so these memecoins are old, right? So some are 1 month, some are 2 months, some are 3 months, right? So what this is basically how you can find the trending meme coins on the C chain, right? So once I've clicked on any of the selected time interval, maybe 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, or 24 hours, you'll be shown different like tokens that has been launched in the durations, right? So if you find this video helpful, please share that below in the comment section. Thank you guys for logging out to the end of this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.